Hey Pro Stylers, Mikey here, and I've got some more killer training for you. Inside this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make your blog show how you want it to show. Whether it's full width, sidebar, left sidebar, right. It's all going to be covered in this video. Now before I jump in and start doing the training, going into this killer training, I wanted you to know that, as you know, Rep 1 closes in less than 48 hours. And this is your chance to get my Rep 1 business in a box. As you know, it's by far the best bonus package out there for Rep 1. It's that good Walt wants to sell it to Rep 1 customers after the launch. You're going to get a full-blown reputation management website, 10 done-for-you niche Rep 1 sales funnels that are a complete 4-part system. It includes a squeeze page, a white paper, follow-up emails, a presentation, and close where you can ask a question or you can purchase. And you've got 10 different niche ones of them. After this closes though, and Rep 1 closes, the only way to be able to get my bonuses is to wait a few weeks for when me and Walt launch them. But as Pro Styler customers, you can get my bonuses now instantly before this closes, free. So be sure to check out Rep 1 below this video before it shuts. Okay, so let's jump right back into our training. So we're going to talk about blogs, because I get asked a lot of questions like, how do I put my sidebar on the left? How do I put my sidebar on the right? And it's really simple stuff. And I'm going to walk through a lot slower because a lot of you say that I move too quick, and I'm trying to work on that to give better quality training. So what I'm going to do is, as you can see, I've got a page here and I've called it blog. I've added a row and then I've inputted the blog element. So that's where I'm up to now. Just a row with the blog element with the name blog. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the default template. So what the default template is basically where you can see blog here, start and above, and it puts the footer in as well. By using the blog element, it's going to put our blog directly inside the header and footer, like so. So, first thing we want to do is, we definitely want to turn off page comments. So we're going to scroll down and turn off allow comments, allow trackbacks, because you don't want comments on our index for our blog. And then what we're going to do is I'm going to just save that page. Right, the next thing we're going to do is we're just going to refresh so that we can see now that they won't be able to add comments to the root of the page. There we go. Okay, so let's say that you want to make it display in one column with a sidebar. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add a row, add a column. I'm going to drag it over. We don't want it super wide. See, like there. And this is going to be our sidebar. I'm going to select insert element, widgetize sidebar, and then for the sidebar I'm going to have default sidebar. Click save. Now when we refresh, our blog will have a sidebar, as you can see. So let's say you only want these to show in rows of 1. Let's go back to our page. Click edit on our blog element. Select styling. Number of columns, let's set it to 1. And then I'm going to click save. Save page. And refresh. So now as you can see, it's 1 post per row, and we've completely changed the look. Okay, so let's say we want the sidebar on the left. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add a column. I'm going to drag the blog over to the middle. I'm going to drag the sidebar to the left, and then I'm just going to delete this end column. Then I'm just going to shrink the sidebar down. So now as you can see, we've got a column with our sidebar in, and then a bigger column with our blog element. I'm going to click save, refresh, and now we'll have a left sidebar. Now if your sidebar is really far up, we can do another thing. Back into our page, insert element, the spacer gap element, and we'll set it to 20. Select save, and then just drag it above the sidebar. Save the page, refresh. There you go, you can see it's now being pushed down so it's not as cramped. So we can do more stuff. We can go back into our page, we can edit our blog, we can change how many items show per page, we can order it by date, ID, date modified, random, so ascending or descending order. The real power is here in the styling. So you can have 1, 2 or 3 columns. So I'm going to select 2. Layout mode, you've got fit rows, list or masonry. So let's select list. You can change the excerpt text length. You can turn off images. So I'm going to select save. Save. Refresh. And this will give us a list mode, as you can see. So if we go back, edit this, blog element, styling, and we'll put it to fit rows. We'll click save, save, and refresh. Now we've got our 2-column blog. So as you can see, you pretty much do whatever you want when it comes to making a blog. It's just a case of deciding where you want to put everything. Like, I put the column back over this side and delete this. We've got our own custom blog page again. This time the sidebar is on the right and push down. Voila. So the last thing you need to do is you need to link your blog page up. So to do that, you go to Appearance, Menus. I'm just going to select Leave this page. And then what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to remove the current blog link. I'm going to select blog from most recent pages, add page, like so. You'll see at the bottom. Then I'm going to select Save Menu. And now I'll just refresh that page a minute so the menu updates. Now if you click blog, you can see our custom blog page is showing, which is the root. Now let's say you don't want a sidebar at all. You can go in, delete this. So it's just the blog element. And if we edit it, styling, let's say 3 columns, click save, save page, refresh, and now we've got a blog that I'll just have posts in 3 columns, as you can see. So you can literally have your blog display exactly how you want. We click on audio file post. So as you can see, the blog's currently loading with this sidebar, but let's say we don't want a sidebar to show, we just want the post to show. What we can do is go to page template and save this as blog demo and click save. Then we go to add new page on the left, and we're going to call this page blog again, and you'll see why in a second. Click W key globe builder, add row, insert element. Then we want this one, the content placeholder. We're going to select that. We'll select save, and we're going to make sure default template's on. Make sure allow comments and trackbacks is on for this page, and click publish. Now if we go to Pro Styler and then content settings in the menu, what we can do is we can select here, post template page. So I'm going to select blog. I'm going to select save changes. And now if we refresh this page, you can see we've got our blog in one layout. And if we click blog, it'll take us back to our main blog. And again, we can customize that, how it shows. You can add a sidebar. You can do anything you want, pretty much. So I just wanted to give you a quick run through of how to customize your blog and have it show exactly how you want it to show. Because you're not restricted with ProStyler at all. You can literally have it display anywhere you want. So I hope you found that training useful. Now before I go, be sure to go over and check my bonus package below this video. As you know, it's the best Rep 1 bonus package out there. I'm not giving you loads of PLR rubbish and stuff. I'm giving you high quality bonuses that I've built myself. It took me days and days to build. I've had my copywriter write up a full white paper for you to give away for lead gen. I've had 5 handcrafted emails that consistently pre-sell your customers when they sign up and register for the white paper. You've got a reputation management website. You've got done for your sales funnels that include a squeeze page, and then it automatically redirects them to a presentation page with a webinar aimed to business owners, and they can buy from that page and ask a question. It's a complete 4-part series. And as you know, Walter's going to actually sell my bonus package to Rep 1 customers after the launch. And because you're a ProStyler customer, I'm going to give you the opportunity to get it for free when you purchase Rep 1 through me. But there's only 48 hours left till Rep 1 closes. So check out Rep 1 below this video. Thanks very much for your time. I hope you found that training helpful. And I look forward to giving you some more training. But that's it. Bye for now.